Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we have this question: square root of 7 power 214 minus 7 power 212 divided by 12 equal to a into 7 power b, and a is not multiple of 7. So we have to solve this question for the value of a and b, and we have to find out the values of a and b. So let's start the solution of this question. So first of all, we can write this 7 power 214 as 7 power 2 into 7 power 212, because when the base are in multiply, so their power uh, adds. So 2 plus 212 equal to 214 in back. So we did this for the reason because we have this value 2012 over here, and we want to take common from here. So now in the next step we will take 212 as a common from these two values. So let's take 7 power 212 as common. So the remaining term over here will be 7 power 2, and the remaining term over here will be 1. So overall this equation will become 7 square minus 1. And now in next step we this multiply this 7 square, which is equal to 49. So the equation will become 49 minus 1 and divided by 12, and 49 minus 1 equal to 48. So we can write the whole equation as square root of 7 power 212 into 48 divided by 12. And now we will cancel this 48 with this 12, because this is 48 is multiple of 12 in the sense that 4 times 12 equal to 48. So we will cancel out this 48 with this 4. So now the question will become as 4 into 7 power 212, which is all under the square root, which is equal to a into 7 power b. And now this 2 will come out of this root. So the question will become 2 into square root of 7 power 212, which is equal to a into 7 power b. So now we can write this square root like this. So now this 212 is in multiply with this, because of the exponent rule. If we have a power m power n, so this is equal to a power m into n, and applying this exponent rule, so this value will become 7 power 106. Why? Because we will divide this 212 by this 2, so this will become 106. So overall this question will become 2 into 7 power 106, which is equal to a into 7 power b. Now if we compare these values, so it means that we have 7 over here, and we have 7 over here, and we have a over here, and we have a over here. So it means that a equal to 2, and it means that b equal to 1006. So this is the solution and values of a and b, which is a equal to 2 and b equal to 1006. So I hope you will have understand the solution of this question. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Take care.